Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll learn how to remove a product from your TikTok shop. So all you have to do here to begin with is just open your TikTok shop seller account. And here, all you have to do is click on your products. And when you are on this page, just click on the live products that you have. And you'll be able to see here that on the left side of your product information, there's an option for you to deactivate. When you click on edit product, you can modify the description, the price, and a lot more information. But for you to remove it, just click on deactivate and you'll be able to deactivate that product. And you'll be able to see that the product is no longer in your TikTok shop seller account. So that's how easy it is for you to remove a product from your TikTok shop. And that's the end of the video. Hope you've enjoyed and learned how to remove your product from your TikTok shop. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.